Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading series. Obviously, it's not going to be a live trading series because today is Friday, January 1st. It's New Year's Day. The markets are closed, but I did want to put out this video relatively quick, so it's timely. I wanted to give everyone an update on my December income. December has been my best month ever, and I want to show you some things that are going well, some things that are not going too well, and some of my trades or some of my upcoming strategies and what I'm planning on doing in the new year. Everyone's been asking for a tutorial on how I choose my strangles. That is coming. That's not going to be in this video. I have some end of the year videos I have to film first before that tutorial comes out, but it is coming. I see your comments. I do see all the requests, and it's coming. Trust me. Just after some of these year-end videos. So for December, I'm just going to round this up, $17,000. This has been my best month. This is 99% US dollars, I believe. So I stopped showing realized, unrealized. I don't think I was doing it correctly. I don't think it added any value. So $17,000 here, how it's broken down. 6,300 via strangle strategy. This is the strategy I've been doing for 6 months, and it's been going really well. Naked calls. This is the riskiest thing I'm doing, definitely. I made 2,200 on naked calls. I won't be doing naked calls going forward. I got lucky with some of these. I'm not doing them anymore. I'm going to be doing covered calls. Covered calls, I made $1,769. If you see some of my past videos, see here I made 1,200 in covered calls and then 800 in covered calls. I've been going closer to at the money. I've been trying to get my shares called away, and they're not getting called away. So the closer you go to what the stock is currently trading at, the more people will pay you, because it's highly likely that it'll hit the strike and it'll get called away. But my shares haven't been getting called away. It's kind of, I might end up selling in the money covered calls, but that's why this has doubled over what I'm used to. I've been able to make 600 to 800 relatively safely on covered calls, but then I kind of wanted to get my shares called away. That's why I ended up doubling. My tried and true strategy, I feel like what the best strategy is, a cash secured put. I made $6,680. This has always been my money maker. So I made $6,700 here. Previous month, $3,800, not as much. Previous month, $47. So it's consistently my number one. I'll go through my trades, everything I've done slowly. And obviously I'm trying to keep up with the comments on column D and E, so you can kind of understand what I'm doing. I do feel like I need to fix this up a little more, and I'll show you. I track something else on the side as well. So go through it slowly, just so everyone can see what I've done. Not that many trades. Let's see. I think I did, what is this? 461. Yes, I made like 52 trades. Not bad. And then I think this is just too complicated, maybe too confusing. I do a lot of trades, and then I don't know how much value I get out of this, or how much value the viewers get out of this. Obviously, everything in blue means it's been closed. That's what I've realized. Strangles, you see I've been rolling the strangles out a lot. Rolled the strangle here for a gain, here for a loss, but then it turned into this one. There's a lot's been happening with this. Some things I've been doing well. My AMD and Twitter strangles have been going well because they trade within a range, but then Tesla hasn't really been trading in a range, so that's why I keep rolling. Where you can see here, buying to close at a gain, rolling strangle at a loss, rolling strangle at a loss. Let me add another S there. So yeah, this is kind of what I've been doing. What else? Twitter strangle, rolling for a gain. Yeah, that's fine. Let me go into Questrade, just so you can see what's going on here. Oh, sorry, one last thing. Around $192,000 is my cash set aside for trading options. And obviously this return is 8.85 this month. Again, I say this every month. This is not entirely accurate because I do trade on margin. So I'm not sure what my gain on what I've risked is, but based on the cash that I have on hand, it's 8.85%. Let me go through, let me show you just what I'm doing. On my TFSA, I sold 2 covered calls for Corsair, and they've been going really well. I've been, selling monthly covered calls on Apple and Afria, and those have been going well. What else? What has been stressing me? Let me group these. Let me try to see. Let me briefly talk AMD. So AMD, I think this has been my biggest moneymaker. It's the one I've been trading the most. I had a 125.72 covered call. So I was going further out. And then both of them were 50% in the money within a couple of days. So I went like, my strangle was like this high, and I kind of tightened the strangle a little bit because it's been trading within a little range. And then obviously I'll manage it if anything else comes about. I have 46 days left. I close these. I do 60-day strangle, and I close them within 30 days. Twitter kind of been doing the same thing. Twitter has been going really well. I'm almost 50% up on the call side. As you can see here, $1,100. Let's see, Tesla. I've been rolling, if you guys have been following, I've been rolling this Tesla strangle forever. What I like about strangles is that you can move everything up or down with the stock price. So you don't really have to lose. I could move it out in time, but I kind of want to stop. So I'm going to stop doing longer Tesla expiration. So here, there's 11 days here on these Tesla ones. I have 4 days left. I'm feeling pretty good. So right now, Tesla is trading at around like $707. And this call is for next Friday for 760. And I think I'll be fine. So I do want to roll this one out. As you can see, my puts, I think it just might, I'm all over the place. I think it might be safer to stop selling strangles on Tesla and only sell puts. It just keeps going up. It can't keep, I know it can't keep going up forever, but that's what I thought at $300. I never thought it would be $700 now, and it just keeps going up. Yeah, I'm not sure what to do. I just might stick with puts. The puts have been the ones making me money. Like you see here, I'm up 915 on this put, and then I'm down 879 on these calls. I want to show you Nvidia. I've been very lucky on Nvidia. I've been selling a strangle, the 470 put, and the 610 call. I've been doing 30-day strangles, rolling it every 2 weeks. So like I do need to roll this, but look, I'm up $579 here, $694 here. I probably will roll it. Probably make another, I don't know, hopefully another 1,000, another 2,000 on this. I'm only selling two contracts. I kind of keep around 100,000 in maintenance excess. So like, what is this? 400,000 in buying power. I know this does look a little sketchy that it's negative, but it's only, they look at your total portfolio all in CAD or all in US dollars. You don't really have to worry about this being negative. I think that's it for now. I know not a lot of people watch these trading videos. They focus more on my stock picks, but I will tell everyone here that I'm liquidating my entire portfolio. So I have if you see here, I have market value $167,000. And I'm going to be selling all of those. Those are mainly dividend and some growth stocks. I kind of want to go full on options trading. I've been getting better at options trading. I feel more comfortable. I understand it more. I know it's more risk, but more risk, more reward. I've been getting, so let's say, this year was an abnormal month. I can consistently make $10,000 a month with 190,000 invested. But now I think I can safely, if I turn this into 400, I can safely make $10,000 on 400K initial capital. I know I could go riskier. I can safely make 10,000, and I do think I can keep living on that after taxes and after everything. So that is my plan. I do like the dividend income. I'm filming a dividend income video right after this. I'll change shirts so it doesn't look too weird, but I really like options. I enjoy it more than dividends. I know that's passive, but I kind of want to be more active. I enjoy trading. I enjoy all the stuff. So thanks for tuning in. I do have my tutorial videos coming out soon. I will try to keep filming more. I hope this helps you guys. I hope this motivates you to To get started, if you do want to start in options, if you have 100 shares of a company, just sell a covered call. Just, it's basically you're selling someone a contract to sell them shares at a certain price. If it hits that price, you make money two ways: your premium and the share price going up. If it doesn't hit that price, you make money one way, just by the premium you sold. It's a derivative. You're selling a contract based on the underlying stock price. I know it's complicated, but if you just do some research, I do have an intro to trading that I'll kind of throw up somewhere. I do have an intro to trading series that no one has really been watching, but everyone wants to know the final answer. Everyone likes these videos. They want to know the final answer instead of doing the legwork and learning from the bottom. But I do promise you can probably duplicate or make even more. I know I go risky on some trades. These Tesla strangles are risky, but they've been working out pretty well for me. So thanks for watching. Happy New Year, guys. I'll see you next time.